To remove and install the battery on your Polaris Titan, follow these steps. Park the snowmobile on a flat level surface and remove the key. Lift up on the seat latch and pull back to remove the seat. Continue by removing the two battery bracket fasteners and remove the bracket. Next, remove the negative battery cable first to prevent arcing and set aside. Then remove the positive cable protector boot. Next, remove the positive battery cable and set aside. Reinstalling the fasteners into the battery posts will help prevent misplacement. Lift the battery up to remove from the snowmobile. Clean out the inside of the battery tray with a clean cloth. If reinstalling the battery, ensure it is fully charged and free of any debris or damage. Follow the instructions in the battery charging section of your owner's manual before installing the battery. Carefully install the battery into the snowmobile. Next, reinstall the positive cable first to prevent arcing. Torque to specification and reinstall the protector boot. Then, reinstall the negative cable and torque to specification. Apply a light film of dielectric grease or petroleum jelly to both terminals. Before reassembly, verify the cables are secure and properly routed. Reinstall the battery cover and two fasteners. Torque the fasteners to specification. Reinstall the seat by aligning the front retaining tab and pushing down in the rear. Finish by starting the snowmobile to verify the battery has been connected properly. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.